What is this? Got it. Okay. I'm just gonna double check. Pause recording. Okay, great. It's recording. I'm just gonna quickly show the screen. So this is what we have done so far. So as per your request, this is what we have created. So you would like to have a questionnaire, right? And then so one of the user stories that we have is that as a researcher, you would like to create and manage the questionnaire. So it doesn't just only applies for the truffle questionnaire. So in the future, for example, if you want to integrate the hazelnut questionnaire, you can integrate it to the new software. And then and you can create furthers in the new part. I don't know if you would like, but this is you can click dashboard or you can go to survey to see the topics that you research on. And here we have that as a farmer or as a just user, I want to open and fill in the questionnaires with various types of questions so that I can submit my farm data for benchmarking. So here we have some wireframe for the question type. So based on the hazelnut questionnaire that you have provided for us. So we had a look at all the pages, which is like around 18 pages. And we have kind of like just summarized the different types of questions that we have or components that we have seen during the questionnaire. So like the next button, this like single bar, multiple selections, and this big columns and rows of different items.
Yeah, can I pause a bit here? Maybe just want to double check with Ming Chao. Ming Chao, is there any questions or like field in Qualtrics that they want, in fact, the science teams want to have, but the Qualtrics can't do? So, or you think that they can implement exactly the same as Qualtrics questionnaire?
I think they can implement like exactly the same as Qualtrics because
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. So exactly the same is fine.
Yes.
Okay.
Or I mean, like we're adaptable. So if you want us to change the format a bit, we can, because these questions, different types of question, we're just gonna create it like modularly. So you can just add different formats and different types anytime, I guess.
Yeah.
So that is fine. So so one of the function that we're still having in question is that do you want the farmers to save their progress in the middle of their questionnaire?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. Confirmed. Confirmed. Great. So some of the other user stories that we have created is just basics functions for the questionnaire. For example, like prevent from skipping required questions to secure, the data completeness, and things like if there is, if they input something different, we also have something to prevent it. Like here, please enter a number instead of a letter. And here that when they finally submitted completed the questionnaire, they have this submissions instead of the next page is submit.
Yeah.
Yes. And here is so I know that you said you emailed us that you just confirmed that to have the authentications, like email authentications and stuff like that. This is what I have in mind. So this is for the farmers page. So they will see this questionnaire with I know it's different stuff, but for example, this is their completed questionnaires, and this is like, for example, they to-do questionnaires, something like that.
Yeah, one clarifications on this. So this is farmer view, right?
Farmer
Yeah.
view.
Yeah. So
Researcher view.
maybe yeah, there must be only one type. So there's no like hazelnut and truffle. So maybe we can separate on that.
Oh yeah, definitely. This is just for display for
Yeah. And also this they can submit the same questionnaire multiple times. Ideally it's at least once a year, but I'm not sure if they can submit more. But yeah, is that correct, Ming Chao?
Yeah, they can submit once a year. Like,
Yeah, yeah.
okay.
Yeah, great. So for that part, so is it okay that, so at the moment, sorry. So this will be like, here we have this confirmation submission that you won't be able to edit your response after submitting. Is that, so that's correct, right?
Can you allow them to edit?
Yes, you won't be able to edit after they submit it.
No, I mean, like, can you make a feature so that they can edit the response?
Yeah,
Uh,
edit it after submitting.
Yeah,
oh, you want them to
yeah,
edit? Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So in the farmer view, instead of the box, right, you can have the rows, the table instead. And then you can have, okay, this is the response to this question in 2026, and then you have edit button.
I mean, that's possible. I
Yeah,
mean, like now we have this current survey and the
yeah,
history survey. So
yeah,
we can have two sections. For example, anything in 2025,
yeah.
once it passed, I don't know, December 31, they can't edit anymore. Do you want it that way?
I want them to be editable, like the
Regardless history or like current survey?
I think all of them.
All of them?
Yeah.
Okay. But wouldn't that affect? Okay.
What do you think, Ming Xiao?
Yeah, I think it's okay.
Yeah. So we don't. I think this is a How can we say? It's a rare case, right? But I think it would be good to have. Otherwise, we as an admin all has to fix and hard code in the database, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Because currently in Qualtrics, like if we want the farmers to like edit their submitted survey, we have to like send them like a link, another link to
Mm.
to them.
Yeah. So basically, there shouldn't be any restriction on editing. It's their own data, so they can do anything they want.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
And for the researcher point of view, the top one, I mean,
Mhm.
the other page, yeah. This is it's good to have the feature that the researcher can create and edit
Mhm.
the questions. But if you don't have much time to do, I'm okay to not have it. Okay, you can like
Oh, I
yeah,
don't think this is too difficult though.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So just let you know that this is
Oh,
like good to have feature, but the question field, the question form is a must have.
okay.
Yeah. Okay. And also it would be good to have the report to the researcher, like how many respond already submit.
To researcher.
Yes. So the researcher wants to know how many data they have already collected. They
So
want to see the progress, right? So otherwise they don't know how many response they get and is it enough?
let me see.
Mm.
So in that case, I would say this page is the must-have. Otherwise, I'm not sure how you're gonna, have this information.
Yeah. But I'm not so sure. So you're saying that as a researcher, I want to create and manage questionnaire, right?
Yes.
So that's, in my understanding, you mean that it's just a replica of the Qualtrics, the whole system of the Qualtrics, and that I can create the questions and a new field and everything.
Because if we're gonna create all these different question types, it's
Yeah.
kind of like it's part of it already. So
I think you need to check.
if
Yeah.
that makes sense.
Yeah. Yeah.
May I confirm, are you building the whole system like create those questions like manually?
Yeah.
I
I
mean,
think
as
they
I
can
said,
integrate like framework like Survey.js that we have researched before.
sorry, like
The Survey.js framework.
are we
There's
sorry,
also sorry, you go first.
are we replicating the hazelnut questionnaire or the truffle questionnaire? The truffle questionnaire, right?
Truffle.
Yeah.
Truffle.
We're going to do something that the questions that we don't have, right?
Sorry, can you repeat that again?
We're like the questionnaire, like we haven't got the questionnaire yet, right? Like but it's ready.
Oh,
Oh,
you
yeah.
haven't got the link to the truffle
No, I
survey?
haven't sent yet.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah.
But no, because I was thinking like, because we only have the hazelnut questionnaire at the moment, so it doesn't matter what question it is, right? The fundamentals of like how the question will look like is just a bar, two
Yeah.
options, multiple questions.
Well, I
Doesn't
would say
matter.
it
And
will take much time to build a whole server system, like all kind of the validation, like
Yeah.
form
So
build,
yeah,
something like that.
Mary, there's a two points. Okay. The
yeah,
first one is the questionnaire form, the one that you just show on the other
yeah.
one, the Qualtrics. Okay. Ming Chao, can you send the link, the Qualtrics link to them?
No, it's
Yes,
okay. I have
Yeah.
it.
I mean the
the
for
truffle one.
Oh, the
truffle.
one. Okay, sorry.
Yeah. But I think it will look very similar. Just a few questions that they are different, but mostly very similar. So what you have done on that page is totally fine for the prototype, right?
So
Okay.
you want us just to hard code the questionnaire?
Yeah, that's the second point. So the second point is that, do you want to hard code the questionnaire, or do you want to have a complete system that we can create the questionnaire through your system?
I thought
Yeah.
ideally, I want you guys to be able to create the questionnaire
Ah,
like
yeah.
we can create the truffle questionnaire for you.
Mm.
But because we designed this frame, I thought it's actually easier for us to actually design the framework, because a lot of the questions, like you can see there's like 18 pages for the truffle question, but if you summarize it, it's just like 3 pages of different type of question components. So I thought it was actually might be easier just to do it this way.
Okay. Yeah. On the surface, it might look easier, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
But I think you need to consult with the team in terms
Okay.
of the architecture and
I
technology.
believe in my team.
Yeah. So I'm
Okay.
noting this because we
Yeah.
have tried and we don't find it that simple. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
So our bare minimum expectation is that you can hard code,
Okay.
right?
I will write that down.
Yeah. Even and we also want the questionnaire to be user friendly, right? Because the farmer is the non-IT people.
Mm.
So that's something that we have to make sure that it's good, looks good to the
Yeah.
farmer, right? But yeah, um, confirm with the team, check the
Mm.
framework, and technologies that you feel comfortable to do. Ming Chao just mentioned that there's a framework called, sorry, what's the name again? Survey.js or Ming Chao.
Sorry, my network's lagging.
Yeah. So what was the framework that you mentioned?
Survey.js, like we have
Yeah.
done a little bit of research, like what survey platform we are gonna use before, and then we decided to use Portrait. But other than that, we also did some research on Survey.js. I think you can have a look at it.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
if you think is you have enough, you can build the whole survey frame, the whole system manually yourself. I think you can go for it, but also might take a look at Survey.js. I think it would be easier for you to build a service system with it.
Alright, what is the
Survey.js.
server.js?
Yeah.
What?
No, it should be
This?
surveyjs.io. Yeah. Yeah.
I think just Google search Survey.js is okay.
Yeah.
Is it this one?
I don't know. Ming Chao?
Ming Chao?
Uh, mm, mm,
No?
I put it in the link if
no, it's
that's
Survey.js. It's survey, not server.
Oh, sorry. This.
Yes.
Yeah.
Cool. So you want the UI to look like this.
Not the UI, but the framework.
Oh, okay.
But you can, I think you also have a look at other framework if you can find any that better than this one.
So the point is that you shouldn't, no matter you build a system or you hard code the questionnaires, you shouldn't build things from scratch. We recommend you to use a framework, libraries, or
Yeah.
something that you can, open source that you can use.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I think that's it, right?
Yeah.
Great. Oh, I'm gonna stop the recording.